Hey, it's Brian here, and I'm excited to share a game-changing strategy that could save you hours and completely transform the way you approach content creation. I want to ask you something first. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of creating content, only for it to barely get seen? You're pouring in hours, editing late into the night, but the reach, engagement, and growth just aren't showing up. You're not alone. I've been there, but I want you to know you're not stuck. Today's system is built to fix this. What if I said you could turn one video into 20+ posts across all the top platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and more, without filming, editing, or uploading again? It's real, it's doable, and it works because the tools in Toolkit 6, the 13-tool creator stack, handle almost all the work for you. Stick with me through this video, and I'll walk you through the exact steps I use weekly to turn a single idea into more than 20 professional posts. Best of all, this approach will save you time, help you focus on what matters, and stop the burnout cycle. By the end of this video, everything you need to make this. Your system will be ready in Toolkit 6, linked at the bottom. You've got this. Before we get into how, I want to back up and explain why this matters more than ever right now. Content creation isn't just about showing up anymore. It's about showing up everywhere, consistently and smartly. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn, and YouTube Shorts are pushing short-form content like never before. If you're not repurposing, you're spending hours creating new content for every platform, but you're not being efficient or scaling your reach. I made this mistake early on. I'd post one YouTube video and wait, thinking the results would naturally follow. But they didn't. Not until I started repurposing. Once I optimized my workflow, I was able to 10x my reach. A single YouTube video turned into content spread across Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and even emails. Same amount of input, massive growth output. Jason T. from Houston, TX, Klap, helped me grab the standout moments in my videos. I gained 1,500 new views on TikTok from just 3 clips. Now, here's where the magic happens. These 3 tools from Toolkit 6 help you simplify, streamline, and amplify your content. Together, they create one of the most powerful content machines I've used. 1. Repurpose.io. If you've never heard of repurpose.io, you're about to fall in love with it. This tool takes your long-form content, like a YouTube video or podcast, and multiplies it across platforms with just a few clicks. Automatic distribution. Upload one piece of content. Pick your formats: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, etc. And repurpose.io resizes, reformats, and distributes it for you. Eliminates manual work. No more spending hours cropping videos or manually uploading them one by one to different platforms. Custom templates. Maintain branding and consistency as your content is tailored to each platform's needs. When I first tested repurpose.io, I uploaded a 9-minute YouTube video, clicked a few buttons, and suddenly I had 23 pieces of ready-to-go content. It doubled my weekly reach across platforms. Emily G. from San Diego, CA. Repurpose.io made my workflow simple. One podcast episode now fills my entire content calendar for the week. 2. Klap. Klap is my go-to tool for creating short, attention-grabbing videos from my longer content. Finds the best moments. Klap's AI scans your videos and automatically picks out the most engaging, shareable clips. Auto captions and formatting. Captions aren't just helpful, they're crucial for engagement. Klap adds professional, clean captions to every clip and optimizes them for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. By using Klap, you can turn a single video into multiple viral-ready shorts, each tailored to the platform's audience and format. This means more views, more engagement, and more growth. Sarah M. from Chicago, IL. Klap has been a lifesaver. I can now create viral TikTok clips in minutes, and my engagement has skyrocketed. 3. TubeMajic. If you're serious about growth, TubeMajic is the strategy engine for your content. Keyword optimization. TubeMajic identifies the high-ranking keywords that help your content get discovered. Title and strategy. Planner. Not sure what topic will land next? It generates proven ideas and titles tailored to your niche. Channel growth tools. It tracks metrics and audience behavior so you can keep improving your approach. Using TubeMajic completely changed how I plan. I used to post blindly and hope for the best. Now, my videos are built to perform because TubeMajic provides the blueprint. Magiel from Denver, CO. I didn't realize how important strategy was until TubeMajic showed me what works. My views doubled in less than a month. You've seen the tools. Now, here's how they combine into a seamless 1-hour workflow that delivers results. 1. Film your long-form video. This could be a YouTube tutorial, a mini course, or even a podcast episode. The key is to have a well-structured, engaging script that covers all the main points you want to communicate. 2. Upload to repurpose.io. Once your video is ready, log in to repurpose.io and upload it. Select the platforms you want to distribute to, and repurpose.io will automatically extract and format the content for each platform. This means you can have your video ready for Instagram Reels, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more with minimal effort. 3. Use Klap for shorts. Highlight at least 5 viral-worthy moments from your video. Klap will handle captions, resizing, and formatting for you. This tool is perfect for creating engaging bite-sized content that can go viral on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. 4. Plan with TubeMajic. Use the data from this workflow to research and optimize your next video based on what your audience engages with most. TubeMajic will help you identify the best keywords, titles, and strategies to ensure your content is discovered and resonates with your audience. 5. Bonus tip. By combining all this, you'll have 20+ posts ready weekly, reaching your audience on autopilot. This system is designed to save you time, increase your reach, and help you grow your channel more efficiently. Let's talk about a real-world example. Craig, a content creator from New York, was struggling to keep up with the demands of multiple platforms. He was spending over 20 hours a week creating and editing content, but his growth was stagnant. Craig decided to try the system I've just described. He started by filming a 15-minute YouTube tutorial. He then uploaded it to repurpose.io, which generated 25 pieces of content across various platforms. Next, he used Klap to create 5 viral-ready shorts, and finally, he optimized his next video using TubeMajic. The results were incredible. Within a month, Craig's weekly reach increased by 300%, and his engagement on TikTok and Instagram Reels skyrocketed. He was able to cut his content creation time in half and focus on other aspects of his business like community building and monetization. Craig from New York. I was skeptical at first, but this system has been a game changer. My content is reaching more people, and I have more time to focus on what really matters. It's time to take the guesswork out of creation and start growing smarter. Download Toolkit 6, the 13-tool creator stack, using the link below. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guides, links to Tool 1, Tool 2, and Tool 3. Plus templates and strategies to make your workflow even easier. Comment below and tell me how much time you're spending on content creation right now. And more importantly, what would you do with all those hours back? Make sure you hit subscribe, because the next video in this series is a deep dive into data-driven content hacking. We're talking about the strategies that turn good videos into exponential growth moments. This system works, and I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment and let us know which tool you're most excited to try. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're ready for the next video, where we'll show you how to turn one video into over 20 pieces of content automatically. This system works, and I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI tools. See you in the next video.